सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मदाचार्यपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। ॐ पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं दूरीकृतपातकसंसर्गं दूरीकृतपातकसंसर्गं पूरितनानाविधफलवर्गं 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 पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं जनन मरण भय शोकविदूरं जनन मरण भय शोकविदूरं सकलशास्त्र निगमागमसारं सकलशास्त्र निगमागमसारं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं परिपालितसरसिजगर्भाण्डं परिपालितसरसिजगर्भाण्डं परमपवित्र कृतपाषण्डं परमपवित्र कृतपाषण्डं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं शुद्ध परमहंस आश्रमगीतं शुकशौनक कौशिकमुखप्रीतं शुकशौनक कौशिकमुखप्रीतं पिबरे रामरसं रसने पिबरे रामरसं पिबरे रामरसं We are seeing the series of Nadopasana talks on Sadashiva Brahmendra Kritis. Nadopasana means, Nada means Shabda, Nada Brahma, Shabda means sound, Upasana means, Upa means nearby, Asana means residing or staying or abiding. Abiding near the sound, that Shabda, the Nada, a meaningful, purposeful, beneficial sound, that is the name of the Lord, Bhagavan. So Nada Upasana, meditation on the Lord's name, the glories, known as Nadopasana. All our saints, many of them did Nada Upasana, like Tyagaraja, Mirabai, Bhakta Tukaram, and so many other, like Sadashiva Brahmendra. Many of them did Nadopasana. Even Muthuswami Dikshitar, Shama Shastri, many other saints also did this Nadopasana. That which helps to a person from Saguna Ishvara to Nirguna Brahma Jnanam. Here Sadashiva Brahmendra Saraswati takes Rama Namam in this Kriti, Pibare Rama Rasam. In our tradition, we consider the body, mind, sense organs put together is called Upadhi, is a means for knowledge, means for moksha, a sadhanam for moksha. Therefore, they used to address this mind and sense organs and buddhi, antakaranam, making use of this tool for the attainment of that Lord's abode or liberation. Lord Rama was an incarnation of Lord Vishnu. Ramo Vigrahavan Dharmaha. He was a personification of Dharma or embodiment of Dharma. Rama lived as an exemplary role model for entire humanity. He lived as an ideal son, as an ideal husband, as an ideal brother, as an ideal friend, and also as an ideal ruler. Even Lord Shiva tells to Parvati, "O Parvati, that Lord Rama, the one who has got a beautiful face, who is the coveter of the heart, saying Sri Rama, Rama, Rama. The name of Rama is equal to 1,000 names of Vishnu. Sri Rama, Rama, Rameti." Many of you know this mantra, very popular, well-known mantra, very powerful, highly significant mantra. Sadashiva Brahmendra, in his Kirtana, Pibare Rama Rasam, he addressed his own Rasanendriyam. Rasana means here tongue or Jimhendriyam, sense organ of knowledge, that which has the power of tasting. He is asking his own tongue, Rasanendriyam. Re Rasane, O Rasanendriyam, Rama Rasam Piba. Rama Rasa means, here Rasa means essence. The essence of Rama is Vedas. Vedic teaching is the Rasa of Rama. In Taittiriya Upanishad, Raso Vaisaha Rasaghyevayam Labdhanandi Bhavati. The Rasa means essence. Essence of our scriptural teaching is Atma Jnanam, Moksha, Bhakti, Parabhakti is the culmination. Re Rasane, Rama Rasam Piba. This is the first Pallavi. Rama Rasam Piba He Rasane. So the Rasanendriyam is also a means. Our sense organs we have to use for the purpose of the Lord's name, form. Eyes always should revel in the form of seeing the form of Lord, and ears have to feel the sound of that Rama mantra, and the tongue has to utter and enjoy the rasa, the sweetness of that essence of that Bhagavan's teachings. This is the meaning of Pallavi. Re Rasane Rama Rasam Piba. Then next Charanam Duri Krita Pataka Samsargam. Why you have to drink that rasa? Piba. Piba means may you drink. Why do you have to drink that rasa? Drinking in the sense you enjoy the teachings of our scriptures given by the Lord. In the form of Rama also, we worship Bhagavan as an avatara. Rama, we worship him. Duri Krita Pataka Samsargam. He removes all our sins. Pataka Samsargam Duri Krita Rama Rasam Piba. If you drink that Rama, the essence of Rama's teachings, Bhagavan's teachings, in the form of bhakti, you can show your bhakti in the form of listening, Shravanam Bhakti. That also can come under bhakti only. And that bhakti, kirtanam also a type of bhakti, glorifying the Lord's glories. Samsargam patakam, pataka samsargam duri kritam. That which keeps you away from that all sins, and purita nana vida phalavargam. This Pataka Samsargam, the association with all our sins, even Punya also considered as sin only, because it is also the cause for the next birth. Punya is like a golden chain, Papa is like a iron chain. Both are chains only to bind. Therefore, Purita Nana Vidha, this Punya karma and Papa karma, Punya phala and Papa phala, both are having varieties of Nana Vidha, varieties of phalavargam. They give, Punya gives Sukham and Papa gives Dukkham. Punya Papa Mishritam gives both, Ubhabhyam Manushya Janmaha. We face pleasure and pain in our life. Purita Pataka, Purita Nana Vidha Phalavargam, that it is destroyed. Agami karma, Sanchita karma, and Prarabdha karma. You exhaust Sanchita karma, you destroy. Agami karma, you can avoid. So, He Rasane, Re Rasane, Piba Rama Rasam. Then next Charanam, Janana Marana Bhaya Shoka Viduram. If you enjoy, if you drink the Rama mantra, Rama Nama, day and night, your mind, if it is soaked in Rama mantra, it removes Janana and Marana. Janma and Mrityu. Birth and death. In between birth and death, there are two more. That is Bhaya and Shoka. Fear and sorrow. In between womb to tomb, there are two, Shoka and Bhaya. Fear and sorrow also can be destroyed. Janana Marana Bhaya Shoka Viduram. He takes away that Janana Marana Samsaram and Bhayam and Shokam also. Sakala Shastra Nigamagama Saram. This Ramanamam, if you drink, what is that Ramanamam? It is Sakala Shastra Nigama. Sakala Shastra, all Shastras. Agama, Nigama, Agama means here 4 Vedas and Upavedas and Angas, Veda Angas, Dharma Shastra, Purana, Itihasa, all put together. The Sara, Ramanama is the Sara, the essence of all Vedas, and Shruti, Smriti, Purana, Itihasa, Dharma Shastra. So in one Ramanama, everything is included. Therefore, Tyagaraja also sang, Ramanamamu Janma Rakshaka Mantram. Panamu Seyave Manasa, he asked his mind. So drink that Ramanama. Re Rasane Ramarasam Piba. Piba Re. Re Rasane Ramarasam Piba. Then third Charanam, he says, Paripalita Sarasija Garbhandam. Lord Rama is none other than Sakshat Narayana. That Lord Narayana is the one who is the protector of this creation. Garbhandam means Andandambulu, Pindandambulu, Anta Ramamayam. They say in Telugu, there is another song. Andandambulu, Pindandambulu. This whole Brahmanda is nothing but Raman. Paripalita means the Ramanama is the protector of this entire Brahmanda. Sarasija Garbhandam means this Brahmanda, this universe is the meaning. The entire universe, cosmos. Parama Pavitri Kruta Pashandam. Even the Ramanama purifies those people who are Nastikas. Pashandam means Nastikas, who don't believe in God. In Vedas, they are all called Pashanda. There are Astikas, one type group of people who believe in Vedas and Ishvara also, the existence of Ishvara. And there are some people who believe in Veda but they don't believe in God, like Sankhya philosophers and Purva Mimamsakas. They don't believe in the existence of God. They are called Astika Nastikas, believers and non-believers, believers of Veda but non-believers of God. Sankhya, Purva Mimamsaka. And other Nastika Matams are there, Bauddha, Jaina, and many, the Charvaka, all those philosophers come under Nastikas. Even they are also protected by the Lord because they think about God more. Because God is not there, God is not there. They say Nasti, Nasti, Nasti. Like Hiranyakashipu, Kamsa. Hiranyakashipu says, I am only Ishvara. There is no other Ishvara other than me. He destroyed all Vishnu temples, it seems. So they claim that they are Ishvara. There is no other Ishvara at all. They are called Pashanda. And Kamsa also like that only. There is no Vishnu at all. There is no Ishvara at all. Like that, those people are also, finally they attained the abode of Lord only. That's why Sadashivendra says, Parama Pavitri Kruta. He, Lord Rama, who blessed even those Nastikas also. Lord Rama Nama is so powerful. Then the last Charanam, he says, Shuddha Paramahamsa Ashrama Geetam. This Rama Nama always sung by many sages in their hermitage ashrams. Shuddha Paramahamsa, those wise people, jnanis, who are always abiding in their own Atma Swarupam, they are always remembering the Lord, enjoying the Lord in Saguna form and enjoying the Lord's Nirguna nature also. Ashrama Geetam, who are they? Those saints and sages. Shuka Maharshi, Shaunaka Maharshi, Kaushika Maharshi. Mukha Pitam, this Ramanama was drunk by these rishis also. Mukha means etc. Many other rishis also drunk this Ramanama. Here Pitam means drunken. Drunk means what here? We should not take literally again. Rasa means some juice, some thing to drink and all. That's meaning we have to understand is if we spend our time, quality time, with the quality mind, with the Bhagavan Chintana, all the time, maximum time at least, all our sins can be removed and birth and death cycle we can come out of, and due to birth only bhaya shoka comes, and bhaya, fear and sorrow also can be removed by just enjoying or consuming the Bhagavan's nama, rupa and his teachings. And that role he played in his life as an Adarsha Purushottama, he is Maryada Purushottama. Lord name is Maryada Purushottama. So such a Lord Rama is that name which we have to meditate upon and always contemplate upon that Lord Rama and attain that moksha, paramapadam or liberation one has to attain. This is the essence of this Kriti of Sadashivendra, very popular Kriti. With this I'll conclude. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavasishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.